front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this smartphone. First of all, select an app like browser and open it. Then click on the square button over here and click at the top right corner of your app. As you can see, now it's open in pop-up view. You can make it into a bubble by tapping on this little icon at the top left corner. And if you wish to go back, just click on it. You can also use it to overlay other apps by selecting the other one and operating in both of them. If you wish to move your window, you need to hold this blue line and place it wherever you wish to. For example, over here. If you wish to go back, you need to click on this icon at the top left corner to make your app full size, or you can also close it by tapping on this one at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!